This hair dryer, 110,000 RPM professional high-speed model, delivers an impressive balance of power and hair protection that stands out in everyday styling. The ultra-fast 110,000 RPM motor generates a strong, consistent airflow that significantly reduces drying time compared to traditional dryers. Instead of relying on extreme heat, it focuses on high-speed air circulation, helping to minimize heat damage while still achieving a smooth, salon-quality finish at home. The advanced Ionic technology works to reduce frizz and static, leaving hair looking shinier, softer, and more manageable after each use. One of the most noticeable advantages is its intelligent temperature control system. It helps maintain a stable heat level, preventing overheating and protecting hair health over time. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or straight, the multiple heat and speed settings allow for flexible styling control. You can quickly rough dry your hair or switch to a gentler setting for precision styling. The result is a more personalized drying experience that adapts to different hair needs without compromise. Despite its powerful performance, the dryer remains relatively lightweight and easy to handle, making it comfortable for longer styling sessions. The noise level is also well managed for a high-speed motor, which adds to the overall user comfort. Its ergonomic design ensures a firm grip and easy maneuverability, whether you're styling at home or on the go. Overall, it brings professional-level performance into a compact and practical design, making it a strong choice for anyone looking to upgrade their hair care routine with faster drying, reduced frizz, and healthier-looking results.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.